back. Our plan was to go and pick our sander up today, but my car's still broke, so it'll not be today. Oh, there's a bit more light there, that first tree's gone, so that should be coming down today. Anyway, what I'm going to do, Carol's a bit busy because she's at work and that, because she still works, so I'm going to pot these up into the, like these, not so they'll grow any bigger, just so they'll get more roots going down. But they need doing really, because they start yellowing off in a bit and roots will go all mangly. So I'll do that in that tunnel. I'll go and set them up in a minute, but first I'm going to put a kettle on. Put some milk in my backpack, come up on my bike again. Everything looks okay anyway. Melting. Right, kettle. The kettle's on. So the only reason I'm doing these is because if you look at that, how much difference there is in that height. Well, they'll not get enough roots in there. They have to stop in about another 4 weeks in there. So that just gives them a bit more room to grow the roots, and they won't get disturbed when you pull them out and plant them. So even though I'm disturbing them now, they'll be less for after when they're bigger. Should be about 12 inch when they go out. But what I'll do, I'll get one out here in 2 minutes. So there, it's come out nice and easy. You can see all them roots are tangled. Well, this is mostly for our Carol because she's learning her gardening, and she wanted to do it herself, but she's not had time with work and that. So just tease them out and tease them out. Don't rip anything. Just keep twiddling, and eventually you get two nice plants with big, can you see them roots? They want to be in big soil then to fill them pods. So I'm going to do that with all of them. Just twizzle them out. Don't pull. Don't want to get any tearing. You get your roots out like that. But make sure they're nice and soggy when you do it. So I'll get them in there for her. Well, that's them all done. For some reason there's only 37 there. I don't know what's happened there. So that's full, and that's, but there was two, I split them between two, didn't I? Anyhow, there's enough there between two of us. We'll just split them. When we're ready to plant them. I did them on that bench outside there. Sat it some. Right, the kettle's just boiled, so I'm going to make that brew. Excuse me. Little carrots already. That's how long they was in them tubs. You know, eating them a few Sundays. Never walk past a weed. That's my motto. Or two even better. Another one, see. Another one sneaking behind that bottle. Right, kettle. Now, when I put this grapevine up, it was on a wire, but it snapped because it rusted. So I've got to get it hooked up to there. So all I'm doing is I'm making some little hooks out of these, so you can them in there and hooking it on so it's nice and solid. It's just a little S shape out of that. So I'll get that hung up. There you go. All hooked up, both sides, and little hooks on top as well. Excuse me. It's looking good, that. I had a word with Joe today. He reckons I'll leave 3 bunches of grapes on and cut it. But I can't remember where he cut it, after a double leaf or before a double leaf. I think it's before a leaf, so probably there. I will check with him tomorrow. He'll be on tomorrow. See, you've got another one coming out at back there, can you see? I want one. It's looking okay, that man. Okay. Right. Another breed because I'm wet. These men have just turned up. So we'll watch them taking that in a bit. He's setting up again. Getting all the ropes up and the pulleys. Cottage Roma butter. About half an hour, he's got half of it done. That's the other one they cut down yesterday, that big trunk there. The back of it. He's cracking through it. Oh, we're on here today. Sorry. He's up to. I think he's going on that where they're building the houses now. There he is. Now they've activated the first place. Got balls of steel for that job, haven't you? It's off again. We've used that. Boom. He's just come off, he's going in there. Good job of them come up for peace and quiet today, ain't it? Ooh. And bouncing on that branch. He knows his job, that one. Yeah, that's from the right here. That's good for him. Ripping them edges down, I don't know what's going on there. There was no bird's nesting in there. Planning laws have gone mental these days, haven't they? Obviously clear the path to the race. Look at that. Hardly anything left. I'd leave it like that, me, loose nice. No, I wouldn't, it's a sycamore. That's why all them little twizzers keep coming on these plots. Of them two trees. That one as well at back. But that's in somebody's garden there and he won't pay to have it cut down. See that stick at there, that thin one? Right there. There's a fella on that plot. He's done that with a saw, an hand saw. He's got up the tree and sawn it. Oh, that was a big tree. He's getting that down on his own. Yeah, I reckon another half an hour, there'll not be much left of that. hedgerow's gone there. A big bonfire there. Don't wait till burning season. Won't take that tree home, that acer, because it's been up here years in a pot. And it's getting a bit big, roots are a bit big for that pot now. So I've got a permatome that's died in the lawn. So what I'm going to do is dig that out and plant that in, but I can't take it home today because I'm on the dark. So that's for another day, tomorrow probably. Well, that's about it this morning from me. 10:15. So that's a big on in an hour or so. I've got the chains in my backpack tonight. So I'm about to take it home. Planted in garden at home. The man has got it out of that pot. Wasn't many roots of it. Didn't like it in that pot, never has done. Let's get out of here. That's stuck. There we go. Bob's your uncle. All of this riding home with the tree in the back. Right. I can't turn it round. Right. See you at home. Show you that new fish. Yeah, so that's dead. All thongs are just pulling out. It's rotted off, so that's going out its place. That big fish out. There it is at the bottom. Can't see it because of all the fish. Let's have a look. Here it comes now. The orange and black and white one. It's a bit smaller than him. Yeah, we'll let that in there. So I'll see you tomorrow.